Vantris Energy, one of the world's leading integrated oil and gas services and solutions providers, had just 12 months to build 3 wellhead platform jackets. Built in Malaysia and transported to Qatar's largest offshore oil field, Al Shahid Field, the platforms would travel 40 days by traditional towing methods. Given the project timeline, Vantris needed to evaluate other transportation options. Applying Bentley solutions, Vantris Energy's engineers conducted a detailed vessel study. Using MOSES, the team calculated vessel stability, mobility, and longitudinal strength, leveraging interactive graphics to visualize how the semi-submersible and its cargo would interact with ocean waters. Offering powerful modeling and analysis capabilities, SACS offshore structure software helped Vantris Energy model the jackets, piles, and barges, and evaluate the performance of both wider and smaller breadth vessels. The team ultimately determined that a smaller vessel offered better stability, reduced dynamic roll angles, and was more cost-effective. Bentley Products identified the optimal transport vessel for the project, using a single semi-submersible, heavy-lift vessel instead of multiple tugboats. This helped Vantris Energy shave 26 days off transportation time, a reduction of 50% transit time, and 40% reduction in transportation costs. Taking advantage of the interoperability of Bentley products, Vantris Energy identified the optimal barge, transporting 8,000 metric tons in just 14 days to set a new benchmark for transporting large offshore structures.